Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kash at Mangeko0. Taking a look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like everything else, has been hammered south due to continued concerns with the whole Russia and Ukraine debacle. From a weekly perspective, it's come down to its final Ichimoku support zone, single span B at 37.5K-ish or so. But the optics bands are sitting in, they were in extreme oversold conditions, have since popped out of that. So we're seeing a lot of volume come in on the buying side. That's why that's rising. The RSI remains in bull market territory, still holding 40. So from a weekly perspective, things still look very supportive. It will be very bad if there is a close below, well, pretty much where it's at. If there's a weekly close around 37,250, that would fulfill an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout, which could trigger a very, very steep drop. However, that did occur recently on the week of January 21st and opened on the January 28th. But we really didn't see any follow through there. From a daily perspective, it's that same kind of bearish continuation setup is highly likely if there is a daily close that puts the Chiku span below the bodies of these candlesticks. So if we get a daily close, around 36.7K, that could trigger some intense selling pressure and really just kind of build off of what already exists on the weekly chart. But it has come back into a really strong supply zone. It's extremely oversold in the optics bands. The composite index has fallen into a historical low as well. There is just a lot of reasons to anticipate it moving up higher. And what's interesting to me is that, despite the Russia debacle, the threshold now for Bitcoin to re-enter a nice bull run is a lot lower. Last week, it would have had to close around 49.5K from an Ichimoku perspective to, create a new bullish expansion phase. That's dropped from 49.6K to 42.6K. It's a pretty nice drop. So essentially, if Bitcoin can close on the daily chart above its 2022 volume point of control, then it has a very, very high probability of initiating a new bull run. So upside, although, a lot can happen during the week. It is only Tuesday, but I would say that upside potential is likely limited to that cluster resistance there at 42.5K, and downside risks, they could be substantial and exceed the 2022 lows, especially if there's a daily close below the bodies of these candlesticks. And actually beyond the 2022 lows to test the 2021 lows around 28.5K. I'm not sure what you see, Akash. I'll pass it off to you. Thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.